Looking at the 5 koshas at the level of Annamaya kosha, which is the physical body, we know there is hyperarousal, we know there is hypervigilance, which tells us that the autonomic nervous system is overactive, the stress hormones are at a high level. So we can use pranayamas which are calming to the nervous system, like the 3-9-6 breath, the 4-part breath, Alom Vilom, Shukshunya. At the level of Pranamaya kosha, as I said, the anxiety tends to deplete the energy level. So any of the practices, kriyas which increase the energy level are recommended. At the level of Manomaya kosha, like thought, feelings and actions, it's important that a person learns to regulate the thought process. And for that, initially, if the anxiety is too high, japa practice with a mantra is good, and a positive mantra like the Gayatri mantra, which is uplifting, can be helpful. Even a gentle mantra-based kriya, which brings the thought process to a halt or to slow it down, is recommended.